Well, manufacturing is the making of goods by hand and or machine. And here at Deluxe, we manufacture by hand and machine, sometimes the combination of both. So that's how Deluxe is a manufacturer. Manufacturing is very interesting. You're not just pushing paper, you're making something that didn't exist before. You're making things out of raw materials. And it's a very exciting thing to do. You're making something that didn't exist before. It's a wonderful thing.
How is it?
You get to create things. You get to create things out of raw materials. And that's very exciting. That's what we are, even you guys. These are made to be creators. That's part of that. When you take a person who doesn't have any teeth in their mouth and you're able to help them acquire teeth, you've really improved the quality of their life. They can talk, they can smile, they can interact with other people without covering their mouth. They can eat, it changes their diet. It actually changes their whole mental and physical well-being.
Are all about manufacturing. The difference is that what we manufacture at Deluxe Dental is custom made, manufactured to improve their quality of life with smiles.
My job would help other people have a job here.
The best of both worlds. I get to work with numbers and also work with people. I believe that manufacturing changes the world.
You have to be dedicated because it's not an easy job to learn. Actually did not have any background in dental work. I've done manufacturing all my life. You have a long day, but not a boring day.
It's a challenge every day. I enjoy fixing equipment. I learn a lot. You're never too old to learn.